We often have, on a hospital like this, we often have somebody come out representing the hospital. This is the first time we've had a mascot actually come out. A lot of times it's a patient or it'll be a doctor or something, but TJ, that was pretty special having a mascot out.
TJ brings a lot of energy, and that's the fun part of it. See TJ just really gets the morale going, and we're always excited to see TJ on site.
Come on, Steve!
TJ was awesome. Pulled some dirt off of the rigs, moved some dirt around for us, really motivated the workers today. Everybody's really excited. We've got trucks honking, guys taking pictures, had a good time.
Building a hospital is always special and rewarding, but when it's a children's hospital, it is even more so. It's extra special.
I have a set of triplets that are almost 9 years old now, and they were born at Women's and Children's Hospital. They were 8 weeks early, and they spent exactly 8 weeks in the NICU over here. We were fortunate to have it this close, that we didn't have to go to St. Louis.
It's for the kids, it's for the children. It means a lot to us. We were super proud to get this project.
Most of them understand exactly what we're doing. Just about every one of us has kids, and we know, if you're ever taking your kid to the hospital, then you'll have to understand that when that place is pretty special.
I was wondering how he's going to keep his paws clean when he was walking around out here. He's going to have to go back and take a shower.